We have vodka, White Claw. Hey, I like that sticky. Are you gonna tell the channel about my new hair?
You can.
I cut my hair, guys, and I look like a mom.
Do you like it?
Not really.
Today we're making this baddie fast.
Oof. Thought I'd never hear you say the words.
Fast or baddie? Hello boys, quick update on the FRS. So we have one more map or tune to put on the car, and that is for pump gas. The car is on flex fuel. We're talking about the FRS, by the way. Yeah, let me pop the hood. If you're new to the channel actually, and you've never seen this thing, hold up. She built. Look at that beefy setup. So this is the MA Performance Turbo Kit 5858, stock motor, slipping clutch. Motor has been ran with no oil before. I don't know why it still runs, but it does. We're all finished up. Like I said, we have one more tune in, or throw on there. That's for pump gas. We tuned for 92 octane. And I don't even know what it's gonna be on E85. We're gonna find out today though. So let me get this thing loaded up, go rip it, and then we're gonna head down, throw some E85 in her, and send her to the moon. And I'm gonna gap Bobby. Probably.
No, you're not.
Well, potentially.
Potentially, but probably not.
We both have 5858s, both have a slipping clutch, both have stock motors. My clutch slips worse.
Mine makes way more power.
You want pump gas this on E?
Both have to be on E.
That's what you want to run. Let's go.
Don't be talking smack on the new shoes that I got you. That's really cute, Devin. Really, really cute. No, not in Greg's apartment complex.
Should I do it out there?
Sure.
Watch this. You didn't feel any boost.
I can tell.
Let it warm up. I should probably not be doing that.
It looked like a snail. Oh, rattly.
It doesn't activate until it's fully warmed up.
I understand.
So it makes like no power. It's kind of funny how that works.
Might smell tire, might smell clutch. A little mixture never hurts.
Better?
Yeah?
Try again.
Poke your head back inside.
How was that one?
Very good.
Like that one?
How many more do we have to do until we can leave?
Should I do it again?
No. Let me in.
I don't know why you're yelling at me. That was a badass burnout. Wasn't it?
Honey, I have to yell because you just will do it all day long. Wait, hold on. I gotta make sure I have my phone. I don't know if I have it.
Day in the life. Did you find it? That last one was pretty gnarly.
Pretty farly.
Bugger.
Where?
That's a bike cop right there.
Oh my gosh. This is the worst anxiety.
This car's way too fun. My face probably looks funny on there.
Mine probably too.
Holy shit, this car's hella fun. Alright, let's go slap some E in her and see what she does. Actually, I need to drain the tank some more.
What kind of gas mileage does this get?
The kid had a boner over my car. We're averaging 18. Pretty solid, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it fun though?
Yeah. It's just so light, it just whips around.
I keep hitting something. I don't know if it's boost cut or the actual motor. Do you feel it?
She doesn't want to rip right now. Okay, but you have to be like slow for a second.
Are you gonna go? Fucking go. I wish I had a horn. You ready? Yeah, she's on 12. I don't know what I'm hitting then.
That sounded like clutch.
It was.
You're probably hitting Coda. Okay, baby. You need to calm down. Baby. We legit have a cooler in the back that's full of water and ice.
That dude's face.
What did he do? Oh, honey, don't make fun of me.
I wasn't making fun of him. The way he was like
So
stoked
excited.
on the car. I should build a drift car.
Yes, I know. I want to learn how to drift.
Should we build this into a drift car? It kind of already is.
Kinda. We need some different tires. How? Where are you, is the freeway just gonna go across onto the houses?
She's a little ripper.
Highly confused.
Bobby, the freeway's running right here. And it's gonna go all the way down to I-90. You know where I-90's at?
Yes.
It's not going that way, it's going that way.
Oh yeah.
Burnt the clutch instead of the tires.
God, you're staring at everybody on the bridge. Should we roll down our window?
That kid's all smiles.
What's going on?
That dude had like a full mask on.
Like a ski mask.
Bruh. It ain't gonna get your eyeballs.
Bruh.
Would you be mad if I got arrested?
Yes, I would.
Nice. The fucker even smells like the E85.
I was gonna say I can smell it.
It says we have 13% ethanol. That's impossible.
Pulls in yours clutch. Oh my god.
What?
I just smelled clutch.
That's tire breath.
It's a mix. Mixture.
That was a good burnout. Should be right here.
Sure.
That's fun. right, so a little update on the FRS. We went to E85 and it should have automatically adjusted, turned up the boost a little bit. I'm not sure what we are targeting on E85 for boost or for timing or anything. Regardless, same amount of boost, but there's a sign. There's something happening today. We keep running into R35s. We ran into one earlier that you guys saw. Then we came and parked at the mall and we saw this new one. It's like at 19 or 20 or 21, judging by the wheels. This thing's freaking beautiful. Bobby thinks I should trade her in for one.
Oh yeah.
Trade you in for one.
Me?
All right, so we got E85 in the car. It's actually on like E70 right now. The car is still on 12 pounds on E85, just much more aggressive timing. So, let me see what he said. Mr. DB Tuned said, we should be right around 280 wheel on, as of right now, on pump gas, and right around 350 wheel on E85. I told him I want a little bit more sauce out of it, so we're gonna bump it to like 14 to 15 pounds and go from there. Of course, we do need to put a clutch in the car first, because as you guys saw, this clutch is not holding up whatsoever. So I'm gonna slap a nice XCD twin, hopefully in this car, let her eat, get that clutch broken in, and then from there we can turn it up some more, see how it feels, and hopefully not blow it up. But if we do, it's okay, because we have a spare motor for it.